Okay, ready?
Record.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Radar and Jade play How to Survive.
Whatever this game is.
This is How to Survive. It's a game available on the Xbox Games with Gold, so we're giving it a try.
Yep.
This is like a Storm edition or Storm Survival edition. I'm not sure.
Yep.
But it's free right now on Xbox One Games with Gold. So Jade and I can give it a try.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Keep our course. Yeah, go straight into the reef, says the Coast Guard.
Yep.
They're very helpful.
Great idea.
This is a blind playthrough. We've never done this before, by the way.
Yep.
We've got two survivors, Jade and Radar.
Yes.
Ooh, I like the graphics. They're pretty nice. All right.
Nice slowly getting up.
There's a guy with an exclamation mark over his skull.
What is this?
Let's talk to him.
Speak.
Hey, please. I need some help. I was attacked.
Uh-oh.
Exhausted. There are monsters everywhere. Some followed me and surrounded me on this beach. I managed to kill some of them, but bastards bit me.
Oh, he's dead then.
Listen. I know there are innocent ones around here. You gotta bring it. It should ease the pain. Please. Be quick. I'm weak.
Don't worry, Andrew.
Okay. Let's play
All
it.
right, Andrew, we'll take care of it. Is this your head? That head.
It's the head of a dead person.
Here's the top half. Uh-oh. Boy, Andrew was a killing machine. All right, let's go find these plants.
A plantinus.
They must be. Press blah to open your map. Okay, let's do that. It's our map. And, okay.
Okay.
Our objective. All right, what do I do? There we go. So it looks like it was over this way. Press L trigger to run. Whoa!
What?
Look at the running.
Oh.
Look at the speed.
It's like, I'm fast.
Run.
Like,
All right,
I'm
is this a
fast.
plant? No. Which way should we go? This way? Whoa.
Meow.
This a plant?
These are all plants.
Oh, right here.
It's here.
You want to take it? All
I'll
right.
take.
Let's go.
Meow.
It's like a little burst. It's just a quick burst of a run. And then he goes back to being slow.
It's like here.
All right. Here you go, buddy. Oh!
Okay.
Potty mouth. We made them. We may need them ourselves. We did it! First mission.
Yay!
Oh, he's standing. Watch out. Hit him.
Murder it! Kill it with fire.
Let's run him over.
Okay.
Okay, now what?
Hey. My name's Andrew. I'm not sure how I
We knew that. That sounds suspicious.
It's a nightmare. Living nightmare. I'm one of the small
Ooh.
It's been about a week since we tried and failed to escape these islands. It seems impossible to get off. Many of us have died.
Devoured.
Right now, my friend Ramon's all I've got left. The rest are either dead, walking dead. Ramon's injured.
Ramon.
I left him close to our boat while I went to find food. Please find him. Tell him that I'm injured and stuck. You'll find him on the beach.
Find him on a beach at the east side of the island.
Okay.
Be careful. The island is
And he gives us a stick.
We got a stick. Is it a gas
Sweet.
powered stick?
I've got a stick. Do you have a stick?
No. Is it a gas powered stick? Or no? Oh, okay. It's not a gas powered stick, I assume.
No.